Ethical agent design must prioritize human well-being, ensuring that intelligent agents respect individual rights and contribute positively to society. Transparency is essential. Users should clearly understand how agents make decisions and what data they rely on. This fosters trust and accountability. Robust safeguards must be implemented across the agent's life cycle to prevent harm and misuse, supported by continuous evaluation and ethical compliance checks. Engaging a diverse range of stakeholders, including ethicists, technologists, and policymakers, ensures that design choices reflect broad societal needs. Inclusivity strengthens fairness and reduces bias. Ethical training for developers and users is vital, helping all parties navigate emerging dilemmas thoughtfully. As technology evolves rapidly, ethical frameworks must also adapt. Ongoing dialogue and revisions will keep agent design aligned with human values, promoting responsible, equitable innovation in a changing world. Design agents to prioritize human well-being, ensuring their actions consistently respect individual rights, dignity, and freedoms. Ethical agent development must place human interests at the core, ensuring technology serves humanity rather than replaces or harms it. Implement robust safeguards across the agent's entire life cycle, from design to deployment and operation, to prevent harm, misuse, bias, or unintended consequences. These safeguards should include continuous performance evaluation, impact assessments, and protocols for accountability and redress. Engage diverse stakeholders, including ethicists, policymakers, community leaders, and affected users, to guide decisions and anticipate broader social, cultural, and legal implications. Such inclusive collaboration strengthens the fairness, transparency, and acceptability of agent behaviors. Ultimately, responsible agent design ensures alignment with ethical principles, promotes public trust, and supports the development of intelligent systems that truly augment human flourishing in a sustainable and equitable manner. Bias in agent systems arises from multiple sources, including unrepresentative or imbalanced datasets, deeply rooted societal and historical biases, and algorithmic blind spots that developers may overlook. These biases can perpetuate inequality, reinforce stereotypes, and result in unfair or discriminatory outcomes, especially when agents are used in critical areas like hiring, lending, law enforcement, or healthcare. To ensure fairness and equity in agent decision-making processes, it is essential to detect and mitigate these biases early and continuously. This involves critically scrutinizing and diversifying training data, applying fairness-aware machine learning techniques, refining algorithmic models, and challenging the implicit assumptions held by developers and stakeholders. Regular audits, inclusive testing, and transparency in decision logic are also crucial. Ultimately, fostering fairness in agent systems is not a one-time fix, but an ongoing commitment to ethical, responsible AI development that serves all members of society justly. Developing clear and comprehensive documentation on agent design, data sources, and decision-making processes is essential to ensure transparency and foster user trust. This documentation should detail how agents function, what data they rely on, how decisions are made, and the rationale behind those decisions. Transparency enables users, developers, and auditors to better understand, evaluate, and question agent behavior. Additionally, implement robust logging systems and audit trails that record all significant actions and decisions taken by agents. These logs support retrospective analysis, helping identify causes of failure or unintended consequences. Establishing strong accountability mechanisms is equally critical. Define clear lines of responsibility for when agents malfunction, behave unpredictably, or cause harm. Whether responsibility lies with developers, deployers, or organizations, this clarity reinforces ethical standards and legal compliance. Together, these practices build a trustworthy, accountable framework for deploying intelligent agents in real-world scenarios. Agent-based systems are increasingly influential in shaping critical aspects of society, including global governance, economic equity, privacy, and human autonomy. These intelligent systems play a pivotal role in determining how information is accessed and filtered, influencing public discourse and political engagement. They also drive large-scale automation, transforming labor markets and potentially displacing jobs, which raises significant ethical and socio-economic concerns. As these technologies become more embedded in daily life, it is essential for developers, organizations, and policymakers to engage with a wide range of perspectives, including ethicists, sociologists, economists, and affected communities. Ethical considerations must be integrated from the earliest design phases to ensure that these systems benefit humanity as a whole. Addressing societal impacts, unintended consequences, and systemic risks proactively will help ensure agent-based systems support inclusive progress, protect human rights, and promote equitable outcomes across global populations.